Okay, good evening, Panthers. Good evening, Panthers. Guys, this is what it is. I dedicated my time and everything to this thing as a YouTube Lotto content creator. So I'm here 24/7. If you guys request something, I just attend it as it is. Please, guys, show support. Show support. I've got books that I've written for all these strategies, and I've got a group. In my group, I share teachings privately. There are a lot of things that the team is actually learning from me, and there are a lot of things that I'm learning from my team as well. You know what? I like that team because those guys, they are productive. Actually, they are hunters. They are not give uppers. It's the people that can see light. So they always give me power. And by doing that, they make me more like. So yeah, guys, you're also welcome to come and join the what? To come and join the group. So if you want to appreciate, please, you can always appreciate. There are stickers there with the stickers. So it's easy. You don't have to, if you want to appreciate, you just go to the sticker there. Each and every video that I'm going to be posting is got a sticker on it. So it's okay with that. So guys, I'm going to call this video a financial freedom through Ghost Lotto 536. You know why I'm saying this? As you can see, that draw, it plays in each and every 15 minutes or 30 minutes, depending on how you want to play it. So what you're going to do here is you're going to set it on your app. Let me say you're going to play the draw from 4 o'clock or the previous one from this. So you just put maybe 5 draws. Let me say I've got 50 bucks and then I've got 10 numbers, like 10 pet lines. On 3 draws, you set it automatically. Definitely 2 numbers here, it pays. I don't know how much. It pays more than other draws. So you will make profit. After that, you set it again, 5 games, you make profit. So definitely in a day, you can make 500 to, if you're that kind of person who doesn't sleep early, you can even make more than 800 to 1,000 rand a day. So that is why I'm saying this is a financial freedom through 536. I've proven that. I know what I'm talking about. With this game, you don't play so much numbers, two numbers until like midnight. You can make that money. So guys, let's do it. What I like about Lotto is not only one Lotto. There are many Lottos. There are so many Lottos from overseas that pay like amazing money. So I'm going to be introducing different kind of lotteries. So you guys stay tuned. I think I'm going to send another video later on tonight. There's another draw. It's called Italian Zonera. It pays so much and it doesn't have traffic. A draw with traffic, sometimes it's hard for us as Panthers to win because it's got a traffic. It's like, for example, I can say, have you ever seen a traffic of cars? You can't move. But if you go with the old road, you will see that there's no traffic and you're safe. So let's stick to this, because where there is a highway, it's always traffic. So guys, this is how you do this game. It's very easy and simple, but when you're calculating this game, your results must be in a numeric order. Let me say, they must be in a draw order. They must be in a draw order. A draw order is like how the numbers came about from the Lotto machine. Okay, cool. So let's start here. We're just going to make one recap, then we do the next, then we hit. So it is we're going to use these first numbers. It's 27 and 18. These numbers that we're going to use. And remember, this game has got 5 numbers only, and then there's a bonus. But normally some apps, they don't play a bonus. So this is how you calculate this draw. Cool, guys. This is how you calculate this draw. You say 27 plus 5 or minus 5. Why 5? Because it's 5 balls like here, excluding the bonus. So when you do that, you're going to get a 32. You're going to get a 22. Can you see that? Cool. Already a 32 came in form of 23. A 22 came straight as a 22. So what you're going to do here, you'll take this one, this 22 minus 18, which is the next number here. For example, let me do this so you guys cannot get confused. You see that 22, you say minus 18, you get a 4. You see? So it was a 3 number. So this strategy is a simple strategy. That is why I tried to make it very short and easy so that you can be able to play on that 15 minutes. Remember, it's a 15 minutes draw. Trust me, guys, you're going to make money on this one. So let's do this draw. We're going to say 4 and 22. So you say 22 plus or minus 5. 22 minus 5 is a 27. Can you see that? And then, 22 plus 5 is a 27. 22 minus 5 is a 17. So our next banker for the next draw was 17 and then 27. So 27 is dropped. You're going to focus on 26 and 28. Can you see that? Cool. And then you're going to say 17. You take the lowest one. 17 minus 5 minus 4. You get a 13. 17 minus 4, you get a 13. Where is my pen? 17 minus is 26, 27, then is 13. So this is how you're going to pay your numbers. For example, you do this. Now that your banker is 17, you go like this: 17, 26, 17, 27, 17, 13, and then you split 1, 7, because that's what they normally do. 1, 3, and then you put a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 friend for that particular draw. You're going to hit. When you hit, you have made 50 rand profit. Then the next draw, you're going to stake 2 rand each. You hit maybe 2 or 3 tickets, you make a 300 rand. That's how you're going to work on this one. So yeah, guys, this is what it is. I like teaching. Actually, it's my permanent job. This is what I do for life. So don't be like, why is this like this? No. So the second strategy which you can also use to maintain your bankers is this one. Check the family of, you check like these results. The family of 3, check a 13 came, a 23 came. So this 13, it came as a repeat here, and the 23 skipped the draw. It came on this draw. So now, as you can see, this 27 is coming here. That is why it's going to come with a 17, 27, or 17, 26, or they either way say 2, 7. So check that space. 13 came there, then they left the 23, and then on this draw, they skipped the 23, they brought 27, then to 23 to come again on this other draw. So this draw, they skipped 27. 27 is going to come the next coming draw. So it's easy, guys. It's easy. If you don't understand, just leave a comment. I'll attend it. Or you just click the link, come join my group and start learning with us. Because in the group, I attend you fast. But at YouTube, it has to check time, like for me to make a video like this. Okay, guys. So, yeah, this is what it is. I'm going to introduce different kind of draws on this platform. Let's go grow the platform. Please, guys, subscribe. I've seen some of you are just watching but they're not subscribing, and then that is a disadvantage on your side because you won't benefit. What if you won't know when I upload a video, you won't know when I'm live, things like that. But if you have subscribed and pushed that notification button, you will definitely know when I'm uploading a video. You will definitely know when I'm live, or even when I'm posting on the community. You guys, you can always see. But if you are not subscribed or you didn't put the button, then it's difficult. So guys, please, this is what it is. And then with UK49, I already posted the video. Stick to that video. Don't do anything, just stick to that video. You will go fine. Thank you very much, guys.